Hello everyone, welcome again all of you to this data analysis and freelancing with Microsoft Excel course. So in this lesson, I will show you the course content. Why should you learn data analysis and others? So first of all, the table of contents. So I will show you actually how the data analysis is important, some basic concepts of statistics that will give you a good foundation in data analysis and statistics. Then data analysis using Microsoft Excel. We will first discuss the descriptive statistics, and descriptive statistics may include the frequency, charts and graphs, central tendency, dispersion and others. Then we will move to the inferential statistics part, including one sample test of hypothesis, two sample test of hypothesis, analysis of variance, simple and multiple regression analysis, explanation of the outcome in APA format, then the practical demonstration of the analysis in Microsoft Excel, and I will also show you some real project exercise from Fiverr that I already have done and my past clients works actually. Then how you will be using Fiverr gigs and how you can actually work with Fiverr and in other different freelancing platforms, tips and tricks and many more, and many other bonus lessons. So you can see several projects that I have completed and earned this sort of dollars. So I will try to show how actually I did those exercises in Microsoft Excel. So why should you do this course? So I will try to explain all the statistical concepts and analysis as easy as possible. I focused both on theory and practice, and after doing this course you can actually work as a data analyst freelancer, and there is an excellent career opportunity of working as a data analyst, and you will get a good foundation, basic foundation on statistical analysis, based on which you will be able to move further. And you know that there is a huge demand of data analyst in both local and global marketplace. So I suggest some reference books for you: Statistical and Techniques in Business and Economics. This book is written by Lind and others. And second book is the Marketing Research and Applied Orientation by Malhotra and others. Then finally the Multivariate Data Analysis based on here and others. I will share you the soft copy of these books in the link, and so I will hope that you will be able to learn data analysis better. Thank you so much and welcome to my course again.